In this video, I'll show you how to fix Farming Simulator 26 black screen on startup, freezing, crashing, and not launching issues on Android and iOS devices step-by-step guide. Step 1. Restart your phone. Hold the power button. Tap Restart. Wait until the phone fully turns on. Open Farming Simulator 26 again. This removes temporary bugs and RAM issues. Step 2. Check internet connection. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Avoid weak internet while launching the game. Step 3. Clear cache. Android. Open Settings. Tap Apps. Select Farming Simulator 26. Tap Storage. Press Clear Cache. Do not press Clear Data unless necessary. Step 4. Update your phone. Open Settings. Go to Software Update. Download and install updates if available. Old software can cause black screen problem. Step 5. Free up storage space. The game needs enough free storage. Keep at least 8 GB free space. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos. Step 6. Disable battery saver. Android. Settings of battery saver are off. iPhone. Settings of battery, low power mode, OFF. Battery optimization may stop the game from loading. Step 7. Close background apps. Close booster apps, screen recorders, floating apps, heavy games running in background. Then launch Farming Simulator 26 again. Step 8. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall Farming Simulator 26. Restart your device. Download the game again from the official store. Step 9. Force stop the game. Go to Settings, Apps, Farming Simulator 26. Tap Force Stop. Reopen the game. Restart your device. Hold the power button. Tap Restart. Wait for the phone to fully reboot. Launch Farming Simulator 26 again. This clears temporary RAM and startup glitches. That's the complete Farming Simulator 26 black screen fix guide. Try every method carefully until your game starts working properly again.